Yes, sir. Let me come to one more question. Means initially when there was no question, I used to create question, but actually they have given very good questions. Therefore, creation is not required. Correct now. So I am not creating any question. I will just do the question whatever they have given. Non-vested accumulative leave. Of course, this will not be given in the question. The heading will not be given. This is right down. This will not be given in question, because if heading will be given, you will be able to understand. So this is non-vested, unvested. It becomes leave against leave. Mr. Niranjan is working for Infotech Limited. Consider following particulars. Year. Annual salary 30 lakh, 30 lakh. Number of working days during the year 300, 300. Leave allowed 10 days, 10 days. Leave taken 7 days, 13 days. Leave unutilized carry forward to next year is 3 days and nil. Means you can see they have given the similar question what I have explained. Means current year leave, means for the next year you can say 10 days was allowed, and they have availed 10 days as well as what these 3 days. Are you able to understand? But first let me read. Based on the past experience, Infotech Limited assumed that Mr. Niranjan will avail the unutilized leave of 3 days of 2000-2001 in 2001-2002. Means probability of availment is what? 100%. Even though not given, will assume what? 100%. Infotech Limited contend that it will record 30 lakh as employee benefit expense in each of the year, stating that leave will in any case be utilized by 2001-2002. Lakh, they have given incorrect accounting treatment. They are saying we recognize expense 30 lakh, 30 lakh irrespective of what? Availment or unavailment of leave. Correct? Comment on the accounting treatment proposed to be followed by Infotech Limited. Also pass journal entry for both the years. But let me ask you one question. Whenever they have given number of working days during the year, so this will be inclusive of these 10 days or exclusive of these 10 days. What do you think? Inclusive or exclusive? Inclusive or exclusive? How many are saying inclusive? How many are saying exclusive? And I also say exclusive. Number of working days, when you are calculating salary per working day, so whether you should consider this 10 days to find out salary per working day. Just try to understand in my example. Now this doubt will come. Just try to understand in my example. In my example, whatever I have taken, I have calculated salary per working month taking 8 months into consideration or 9 months into consideration. Salary per working month nikala na. So whether I have done 30 lakh divided by 9 or 30 lakh divided by 8. 8 I have done na. Means number of working month, the number of working days should be excluding what? Should be excluding what? Leave allowed. Leave allowed. That only I have explained. Now one doubt will come whether my explanation is correct or wrong. You can't say na sir you are correct. Now one doubt will come. Ki, sir, you have explained but we have doubt. Now if you have doubt we can discuss on that. Just try to understand. Whenever I am saying salary per working day, so leave was allowed now 1 month. Leave was allowed 1 month. So that should not be considered. Because initially what entity will assume? They will not come. Means actually that is not a working day. That is not a working day na. I hope you are understanding. And if you are considering, then why provision? Are you able to understand? Means as per management point of view, as per entity's point of view, they have given 1 month extra leave. Means what they think, they will come only for 8 months and will pay what 30 lakh. Means as per management what they will think that if I want to find out cost of my company, so I will say they will come only for 8 months only now. How can we say they will come for 9 months? Can we assume in the initially they will come for 9 months? They will come for 8 months only because 1 month extra leave has been given, and we'll always assume they will be in the lack only. They will avail it. And even though they are not availing in current year, they will avail in next year. If they are not availing, thank you very much. We'll enjoy the extra benefit. Are you able to understand? So from my viewpoint, from my understanding of from my viewpoint, whenever I'm saying number of working days, it should be excluding what? Leave allowed. Understood? But I don't know what they have done. Let's see what they have done. However, at the end, the answer as per my viewpoint and as per ICI will be same, but the working will be different. Working will be different. First, I will explain my working. Means we are doing question number 15. So, can there are 2 years, 2000, 2001 and 2001, 2002. Correct? Now, number of working days is 300. 300. Brought forward leave from previous year to 0. Correct? Sorry. First I don't leave allowed. How much? 10 days. Got it? Then I don't brought forward leave from which year? Previous year. So first year is nil. It becomes 310 days. Now leave availed is how much? 7 days. It means number of days work is 303 days. This is as per my working. This is as per CJ. You write down CJ, sir. Huh? What do you think? Whether this working is correct or wrong? This is as per my understanding. This should be working. But what institute has done for the same year as per ICAI, they said 300 to chale, theek hai. But they are saying this 300 is inclusive of what? Including 10 days. I don't know why. Including 10 days. Means this will not be added. Means this, so 0 only. It becomes 300 and minus 7. As per their working, it is 293 days. 293 days. Means, just try to understand. If I am calculating salary per working day, so as per my working, it will be 10,000. 30 lakh divided by what? 300 only. I will do 300 now. But as per their working, it should be divided by what? 290 na. It should be divided by 290. Are bolna re. If they are considering 300 including 10 days, the salary per working day should be 290 only na. Means it should be divided by 290 na. But they have divided by 300 only. Are bhai. If you are considering including day, okay, then you should divide by 290. Then you should divide by 290 na. But they have divided by what? 300. It means there is some clerical mistake. there is some clerical mistake. From my viewpoint, I don't think this is correct. But at the end, the answer will match, and you will understand why institute is wrong. Now, one point will come, sir, whether we'll get marks on this. That I don't know. Because I am not checking your paper now. What I should do? Batao. Either rectification or concept. You only say what to do. Acha, are you okay with ICA solution? If you are okay, then I can explain from that point of view also. I think there is some mistake there. Means if you are saying 300 including 10 days, so actually your number of working days will be 290. Then salary per working day should be 30 lakh divided by 290. Correct? Let me first do as per mine. Then I will explain you conceptually also why ICA answer is wrong. Understood? Correct? Yes, sir. So let me first consider my explanation. Correct? Yes, sir. Next year, can I say once again it will be 300 only. Then leave allowed is 10. Brought forward is 3. It become what? 313. Then 13 is actually taken. It become what? 300. Got it? Something. Some mistake I have done. What mistake I have done? 300, 10, sorry. Acha, this we should not be added. Sorry. This you delete. There is some mistake here. Correct? Now, it become what? 310 and leave allowed means leave availed is what? 10 plus 3, that is 13. So it become what? 297. 297. Correct? Means in current year they are working for 303 days. Understood? And in the next year they are working for how many days? 297 days. Means expenses will be recognized based on these days only. Understood? So what will be the EB expense of current year? Can I say it should be 30 lakh plus what? 3 days extra? Correct now? So it should be 30 lakh plus 10,000 into 3. Will make a provision for what? 3 days, because actual availment is what? Probability of availment is 100%. Therefore it will become what? 30 lakh 30,000. Understood? In this year it will be 30 lakh minus this 10,000 will be reversed. 10,000 into 3 will be reversed. So it will be what? 29 lakh 70,000. So you can see it is actually coming what? If you see 303 into 10,000, it is coming how much here? It is 297 into 10,000 means perfect matching concept. It match with our working na. Have you understood this point? Have you understood this calculation? Means what I want to say, in the year 2000, 2001, EB expense will be how much? 30 lakh 30,000 to what? Bank how much? On the assumption that it is paid to what? Provision for short-term compensated absences. How much? 30,000. This journal entry. Next year 2001 2002. What journal entry? EB expense account debit. It will be 29 lakh 70,000. Provision will be reversed. Provision for short-term compensated absences. 30,000 will be reversed. And payment will be as per contract. That is how much? 30 lakh. Have you understood? You can see this answer will match with ICI answer. Means journal entry will match with ICI suggested solution. But working will not match. This is Jadu. Let's see what they have given. Just try to understand what they have said. Number of working days 300. Leave allowed 10 days. Leave taken 7 days. So they have considered this 300 inclusive of what? 10 days. So out of 300, how much is the how much is leave taken? 7 days. So 300 minus 7 days, 293 days they have considered. But can you see, if they have considered 293 days, and salary per working day they have calculated how much? Salary per working day they have calculated how much? 10,000 per day. So expense should be what? 293 into 10,000 na, means 29 lakh 30,000. But they have given 30 lakh 30,000. How they are giving? Means some mistake is there. If you are saying salary per working day is 10,000 and they have given number of days work is 293 days, so it should be 293 into 10,000 na. But why you are giving 30 lakh 30,000? Are you able to understand whatever I am saying? Means if you are considering 300 days is inclusive of 10 days, then your salary per working days should be 30 lakh divided by what? 290. Either you do this or you follow my suggestion. Believe me, if you'll do in this way na 293, then this is pakka rattafication. This is totally rattafication. I could have solved you in 293 days also. But 293 days I can calculate. But how this 30 lakh 30,000? Then I will say 30 lakh and 30,000. That is rattafication pakka. That is rattafication na. 30 lakh contractual amount, 30 days provision, with 3 days provision create because 3 days is what? Unable leave. But this is pakka rectification. Are you able to understand? I could have said in this way also 293 days, this is 30 lakh 30,000 and you would have understood. But can I say this is, how can I prove that? Can I prove this? Are bolna re. Can we prove this? No, we can't prove this. And as per my calculation, it can be proved. It can be proved कि this is how many days? 303 days into 10,000, 30 lakh 30,000. 297 days into 10,000, 29 lakh 70,000. Have you understood what I have done? Have you understood this? So are you okay with my solution? Or what you can do? Because I am still means have some doubtful if this ends, if this same question will come and if you follow my working, whether they will give marks or not. That is one doubtful. Because they should give marks because this answer is correct. But then also they will see Acha 293, this is 303, they will cut. That is I have some concern about that. What I should do? Batao. Have you understood my solution? Then what? Ratlo. This working Ratlo. Do some rectification. Means I have the concern about marks. If you follow my working, whether they will give marks, that is a concern. Even though you are okay with my working, but whether in exam they will give marks. Are you able to understand? Because this answer is same only. The point is that they will see the working and they will see 293 days and this is 303 days, they will cut it. And I can't change this answer also. Means if I will take 293 days, okay, chalo 293 days, then answer should be 29 lakh 30,000. No, 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 no. It should be based on what? Salary per working day calculated based on 290 days. But that also I can't change. What I should do? Batao. From my point of view, you will follow my only in exam. Because you can't do this much ratta vacation. Chalo, I have given my explanation. Then now this is your exam. You need to do whatever you want to do. But a good point is that at the end the solution is coming same as per my suggestion and as per ICI suggestion. Correct? That is good point. Correct? So we are not doing much discussion on this. What to do in exam? It is upon you what to follow. Correct? Yes sir. बोलो चलेगा. What do you think? Which is correct? What is your opinion? Give me your opinion. No, no, no. Don't say because I am saying. Give me your opinion. Your opinion is also required. From my point of view, my suggestion and suggested solution is correct. So you should write a email to ICI that change the solution. Okay, change the working note and give this working note in the one. There is one panel now where you can give the your solution. They may change it. I think student has a now power to write a mail. Correct now. So you can write a mail. I will not write a mail because I am not student. So that is your duty. You should write a mail. Sir, this is what this should be the answer as per our opinion. Please change it. Don't write my name. Huh? Don't write my name. Okay, have you understood? Yes, sir.